Indian tax authorities raided the BBC's offices in New Delhi and Mumbai on Tuesday, weeks after the country banned a documentary from the British broadcaster that was critical of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's alleged role in deadly riots more than 20 years ago. BBC News reported on television that people had not been allowed to enter or leave the offices. The raids come after the Indian government said it used emergency powers to block the documentary from airing in the country, adding that both YouTube and Twitter complied with the order. The move polarized reaction in the world's largest democracy. Critics decried it as an assault on press freedom, while Modi's supporters rallied to his defense. A BBC spokesperson told CNN that the organization was fully cooperating with authorities. "We hope to have this situation resolved as soon as possible," the spokesperson said. The two-part documentary India, The Modi Question criticized the then Chief Minister of the western state of Gujarat in 2002 when riots broke out between the state's majority Hindus and minority Muslims. It was broadcast in the UK in January. More than 1,000 people, mostly Muslims, were killed in the violence and at least 220 more went missing, according to government figures. Almost 1,000 women were widowed, while more than 600 children were left orphaned, official figures showed. Modi and his ruling Bharatiya Janata Party rose to power in India in 2014, riding on a wave of Hindu nationalism in the country of 1.3 billion, where nearly 80% of the population follow the faith. The BBC said Jack Straw, who was British Foreign Secretary in 2002 and features in the documentary, claims that Modi had played a proactive part in pulling back the police and in tacitly encouraging the Hindu extremists. Modi has denied accusations that he failed to stop the violence. A special investigation team appointed by India's Supreme Court in 2012 found no evidence to suggest he was to blame. But the riots remain one of the darkest chapters in India's post-independence history, with some victims still awaiting justice. Last month, some university students in Delhi attempting to watch the banned film on campus were detained by police, raising concerns that freedoms were being throttled under Modi's government.